Hello and welcome friends. Today we discuss unusual types of rain. Let's start. Before starting please subscribe. Gold rain. Gold rain covers the ground with shiny coins and bars. If the gold rain starts, what do you feel? Happy or sadness? I feel happy. Puppy rain. The children laughed as Puppy Rain filled the park with cute little dogs. What will you do if the Puppy Rain start? Money Rain. Everyone looked up when money rain started falling from the sky. What are you looking for? Money rain or not? Please comment. Oh, Snail Rain. After the storm, Snail Rain surprised the entire village. Are you surprised or not? Please subscribe for more and also comment below. Thanks for watching.